this case doesn't differ from any other case. What does differ is the sheer love that the Filipino nation have for my flag.
Guys, namin diri karon.
And I've seen it on a daily basis when I go out to Mr. Duterte in his detention centre, and I see the people waiting there every day, just hoping. It happens even when I travel abroad. I land at the airport, there are Filipinos there, and they recognise me straight away. And they come up to me, they want to hug me, and then they cry. They cry because by crying on my shoulder, they can feel that they're getting some form of closeness from my best friend.
Never to do it to your citizens here. You should be happy. No. Everyone wants to come home. I said to Secretary General, those who want to be with or without money, I will ask PAL and Cebu Pacific to provide the transportation. I want them out of the country, those who want to be in 72 hours.
Magandang gabi, ating mga kababayan. Kinalulungkot ko na meron po tayo natanggap na report na meron na pong casualty na Pilipino dito po sa gera na nangyayari sa Middle East. Na-report po sa atin ay namatay po ang isang Mary Ann Velasquez.
Kabayan kong Pilipino, ngayon ko lang kami pagkakitan. Kasi umalis ako ng Malacanang. Ngayon lang. So, pagpatawarin ninyo ako, maghingi ako ng tawad